When you need a reliable 100 or 200 watt power supply for your testing applications, turn to the Agilent E3630 family of power supplies. These programmable, dual-range linear supplies have been used in thousands of applications thanks to their low noise, excellent resolution, and ease of operation. Each of these power supplies features two ranges, allowing higher voltage at a lower current or higher current at a lower voltage. It's like you get two power supplies in one. Just select the supply with the voltage, current, and power ratings you need. With 0.01% load and line regulation, these power supplies can maintain a steady output when power line or load changes occur. Access to these power supplies' output and sense connections are made via binding posts on the front panel. Additionally, the E3633A and 34A supplies also have rear output terminals, making them ideal for rack mounting with all wiring routed through the rear connectors. The sense inputs are used to compensate for voltage drops due to wiring and fixturing, ensuring that the voltage at the load is what you set at the power supply. With the supply set to 11.00 volts, the output at the load measures 10.99 volts as it should. However, the power supply is actually outputting 11.39 volts to overcome the voltage drops in the wiring, thus guaranteeing the correct voltage at the load. Your power supply shouldn't introduce noise into your circuitry. These linear power supplies were designed to produce very low levels of both common mode noise and normal mode noise on their outputs. The result is clean power with good isolation from power line current injection. Front panel controls are straightforward. Use the control knob to set voltage and current levels, and then use the two displays to monitor actual output voltage and current values. You can store and recall up to 3 operating states using the front panel controls. With these supplies, you can set both voltage and current limits, as well as overvoltage and overcurrent protection. For example, with a 13.2 volt 50 watt light bulb connected to the power supply, we can set the upper voltage protection to 12.2 volts. As we increase the voltage and reach the 12.2 volt limit, the overvoltage protection is tripped and the output drops to 0, thus protecting the light bulb. These supplies come equipped with both GPIB and RS-232 interfaces. The voltage and current of each supply can be independently programmed, the outputs can be turned on and off, and the front panel can be locked out. You can read back output voltage and current levels, instrument status, and error messages. Here we are using an Agilent 82357B USB to GPIB converter to connect to the PC, and using the free Agilent BenchView software, we can monitor the output of the 30 volt supply. Note that the output noise is less than 150 microvolts RMS, well below the spec of 350 microvolts RMS. So when you need a 120 or 200 watt programmable linear power supply that is extremely reliable, very low noise, and easy to use, look to the Agilent E3630 family of power supplies.